Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI. I don't know if there's any Moana fans out there, but I'm a huge Moana fan and so is my daughter. So I do have a lot of plushies for her. This is her Pula and this is the pig on Moana. So absolutely cute. I do love the sizing of this. It's not too big, but this is from the actual Disney collection and it is so well made. The detail on it, from its ears to his nose, all the little spots, even his little pig tail, it is so cute. I love that they even made the little hooves with the points that pigs would have. It's just fantastic detail on it. It's a nice size and super soft and snuggly that your child just wants to hug it and snuggle it. It's also fun when you do have the different plushies, you're able to play with them like it is just from the movie. I absolutely love they did the nice detailing on the eyes and the eyebrows with stitching as well as his nostrils. So they did do a really good job on this. I love the quality of it. I'm able to wash it and dry it on gentle cycle and he is still in good shape. His coloring comes back just like brand new so that your child can continue to play with it and bring it wherever they want to go. And that's just my point of view.